Hey guys, how you doing? Today we have a Toyota Camry 2023. Customer lost all the keys, so that is the process how we're gonna do it. First, we will take it out this part to get in the code for the doors and the ignition. Over here,
Right here on this side is the code
491.
We put it back the cylinder. We put this thing here, and that's how we're gonna make it the key. Right now we're gonna start to cut it.
So after we put the code into the machine, they're gonna show us what is the clamp and what is the side that we had to put it and what is the position. So in this case, they say it's M5 side B. We have in the side A right now, so we're gonna turn it to put it in side B. Right here is the side B, and now we're gonna put it right here in the second position that this say. So we close this one and we put it right here in the second position. Okay, so that's all. That is the cut, and we start the cut. So we're gonna start to program the key, and at the end we're gonna program the remote. So we're going from Toyota, we're going system selection, and we put it immobilizer. After going to immobilizer, we're looking for immo H, is this one, and we do immobilizer receipt all key loss. You just press an OK and you follow the steps. Number of access keys, we put a 1. That's only that we have it. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Press it OK. And we turn the ignition on right now. And remove the key. Ignition off. Okay, so now we put the key into the ignition. We're gonna turn it on, and we turn it quickly 8 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The immobilizer goes off right here, so that means the key is already programmed. So we're gonna put it on. Okay, that's all. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you so much.